How to make an interactive video with Nearlife. How to add media. To add media to a node, you need to upload it. Go to the tab called Media on your screen. Click Upload Media and select the content you wish to upload. Then, scroll down to the orange button labelled Upload and click it. From here, you can drag and drop scenes into the right nodes. This is why we recommend labelling your scenes appropriately, so you can recognise them easily. How to use scoring. Now, scoring. Let's say you're making a quiz. Go to the correct answer out of your buttons or hotspots. Now, click to enable the score and add however many points you want. You could also take away points for wrong answers. You can set a pass score on the Settings tab. How to use feedback. Feedback can be a very useful tool to give your audience feedback to help them understand where they've gone wrong or right. To use feedback, go to your right or wrong answer. On the wrong answers, you can tell them that they did not click the right answer. You can also tell them what the right answer is, and maybe give an explanation. On the right answer, you can congratulate them. Remember, the user will only see the feedback for the answer they pick. This makes it a personalised feedback based on how they answer. How to add buttons or hotspots. Let's start with buttons. Double-click on the node you want to add an overlay to. Click the Properties tab on the left side. Scroll down to the Overlay section and pick the hotspot you want. If you click a button, an orange button will appear on your screen. You can change its size, alignment and colour. Label it and put the text you want to appear on the button. Then you can click to create a new node. The game will automatically connect your current node to the one you've just created. If you already have a node created that you want the interaction to go to, you can select the name from the drop-down section under Go To. For the other hotspots, it's pretty much the exact same. Create your text, image or shape hotspot, name it, and decide where it goes. What are achievements and conditions and how to use them? We need to add an achievement by adding or selecting an inventory item. Inventory is a great way to take your interactive content to the next level. Let's say you're making a quiz. You only want people who have gotten 10 out of 10 marks to go to the winners page. You can add one inventory item, let's call it correct. You do this by going to the Add Achievement tab on the correct answer. This means that for every correct answer they click, they are adding one correct to the inventory. Now you can use this to make a condition. A default condition would look like this. Go to the last node, question 10, and go to the conditional default. Here you can set that when correct equals to 10, it will go to a new node. So this means that only when you've gotten each question correct, you'll go to a certain node, the winners page. This node will be separate to where everyone else will go. Another type of condition would be using hotspots. Let's say you're doing an Easter egg hunt. You only want a next button to appear after all 5 eggs have been found. So, you add an achievement to each egg. Let's call it egg. Now, add your button. Go down to conditions and add the condition when egg equals 5. This button will now only appear when all 5 eggs have been found. If you'd like to learn more about how Nearlife is a great tool for creating interactive videos, you can click the link in the description to book a demo to speak with one of our team. Or, if you're already confident it's right for you, you can get started right away with a free trial.